Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add product limit with cart quantities in WooCommerce cart page using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Go to cart page. Now you see we have 6 quantity for 3 products. So we are going to set limit for 6 cart quantity. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we set number 6, so you can add number according to your requirement. And then you see message, you can't have more than 6 items in cart, so we set limit 6 for cart item quantity. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page, refresh the page. So now we have 6 quantity. Now we are going to update it 5 and then click on update cart. And then you see message, you can't have more than 6 items in cart. Now go to shop page, refresh the page and then click on add to cart again. Now again you see message, so we allow only 6 items in cart. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.